Hi, in this video we are going to see copy and paste special. So in previous video we have seen that how to paste it, but in here now we are going to see what is the paste special. So I have opened my workbook, and if you see I have written some employee data where name is there, month is there, and what is the per hour that person is getting and how many hours for the week that person has worked, and based on the formula, like based on the how many hours that person have worked, what should be the his or her salary. Now here if you see I have purposefully actually written this. I have write one thing with the formula and another thing is without formula. Okay, so let's discuss each line. So what I'm doing is I'm just I want to first copy, right? So I'm copying this one. Copy. I have just copied this. Okay, and now I'm going to open in I need this data. I'm just pasting into the new cell. Okay, I'm creating one new workbook and pasting there. Okay, if you observe, I got all my data, whatever I have selected the range, I got my all the data available here. Okay, but only one thing is there, like you can see this slight difference on the border heading. So border width did not get copied. Okay, so how we can copy to make sure that everything getting copy, or what are the information we can. So in Excel we have a lot of features on that, and let's discuss each of them. Okay, so I have copied it, and to get the paste special option from the window, like from the keyboard, what we can do is we have to press Alt Control E. Okay, this sheet only, this paste special window only will be appear when we have any data actively copy. As of now, if I press Alt Control V, you see I'm getting one error warning message, right? But I'm copying and then I'm pasting it. Alt Control Alt V, I'm getting this. So what are the options I'm getting? It asking that you have copied and wanted to paste all the data. Yes, so all data it will paste it, and operation as of now I am putting as in none. So let me copy this one. I'm going to the new sheet and putting the Control Alt V. Sorry, did not copy Alt Control V. I got this one. Now if I paste all, if you observe that only data got pasted, the format got pasted, only column width did not get pasted. Okay, again if I press Alt Control V, and here one option called column width, if I click on that, it will get column width also will be, I will get the exact what is the. So if I want to, I have copy like I need same exactly whatever the it is available here on the, while I'm copying and pasting somewhere. No, we have to actually paste two times. One time we have to paste a column width, and then next time we have to paste all the value. Okay, in the case here sometime it require, like I want to only paste formulas. Okay, what are the formulas is there, only just paste it, do not paste anything. So let's see that one also. I'm copy, so let me paste here itself at the below that we can observe what are the things are happening. Okay, not here, let's paste this way, this side. Okay, just copy here. I'm putting in new workbook, and what I'm doing is Alt Control V. I'm getting that this time I'm pasting formula only. So if you observe, the value got pasted with the formula, there is no formatting. Okay, whatever the formula is there available, it got pasted. Okay, now next time again I'm pasting, and if you observe, this time I'm putting value. So here we have in F column we have formula, right? In the F column we have G column we have formula, E2 this formula we have, right? Now the first time when I pasted this one, if you observe that we have formula, but now in book 4 I have pasted the value, but it don't have any formula, any kind of formula. Okay, so formula will not pasted. Now again let me copy this entire thing and copy it, Alt Control V, paste special. Sorry, I have to select that where I want to paste, right? So let me create one new workbook, and this time what I will do is I will use the format. So if you observe, only format got pasted, nothing it. Okay, next Alt Control V, comments. Okay, so this time I don't have comment, but let me put here some comment. Okay, so how to enter comment and all those we will be discussing. Hello, this is comment. Paste. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm copying entire thing here. Okay, and doing paste special and putting the comments. If you observe, only comment, okay, only comment got pasted, rest all the information is not available. Okay, now again I'm copying, putting in new set, Alt Control Alt V, then validation. So validation, if the data validation is that only will be pasted, and validation part we will be having separate window for that video for it. Now all using source theme, let's paste it. Whatever the theme, whatever the information was available, it got pasted based on the source theme. Okay, Alt Control N, new file, and then Alt Control V, paste art but not border. Okay, so if you see in this source we have borders, here, but here when we pasted there is no border, everything got pasted but except border. Again we have column width, right? So we already discussed this one, nothing will paste, only column width will be pasted. Formula and numbers format. Okay, what are the formula and number format will be pasted, value and number format. Okay, so next we have very interesting is operations. Okay, so while pasting any data, okay, I am pasting some data, but I want to add something else. Okay, I want to add somewhere. So say for example, let me close all this because we have a lot. Okay, now if you see, I am just copying. Okay, sometimes it happens, I am copying this value. Okay, here I am copying, and what I am doing, I am pasting here, but what I am doing is Alt Control V, I am pasting as all, and what I am doing, going to add. So what will be happen is, whatever in column E, if normal case I paste, okay, if normal like just without S, I will paste, the formula got pasted. Okay, but in the case or copy here and paste is and add it. Okay, so what will you just see, it got pasted, whatever the formula got pasted, but it got added, 1000 got added. Okay, that's why another I have without formula, the same value I have without formula, I am copying it and pasting here, but this time what I will do, I will say that add. If I click on this, if you observe, 1000, what was the 1000 was right, it was added there, but there is no formula here. If I paste as a formula all and add, you will see that formula is there. Sorry, here all and add formula. If you see, the formula is there. Okay, if I'm putting Control Z, don't want to make you confused, I have put a 1000. I'm just copying this value and pasting here and putting as a add. Okay, I'm putting as the value are all, doesn't matter anything, just click on add. So if you observe 1000 got added. Okay, now again I'm pasting paste special, and what at this time I'm going to do, I'm going to do subtract. Okay, if I click hit OK, you just see that 1000 got so from here this value 1000 got, from 1000 it has been subtracted actually. Okay, then here we will be having multiplication. So again I'm going as a paste special, and I will do the multiply. Okay, and if you see the value got divided by the 1000 got divided by this. Okay, then we this time we have use multiplied or what here this time. Okay, let's multiply. So use multiply. I'm using multiply. Click OK. Okay, so this time multiply. Now we will use as division. Okay, click on division and click OK. So if you observe that got divided. Okay, the previously we have used divide one. Now one more option we left is here, skip blank and transpose. Okay, so to understand that, let me write something here. Okay, I am adding one to column here. What I'll do is I will A and keep some blanks here. Okay, okay, now I'll type B everywhere. Okay, so now I have copy. I need to copy it and paste everywhere. Okay, if you see in this column B, all where the value is there, but here in A there is a some value. Okay, just I am copying this one and pasting it, Alt Control V, paste special, where I will choose all and skip blank. Okay, if you click OK, what happen is, if you observe here, all the places where A was available, it got pasted, but if the value was blank, so that cell did not get changed. Okay, if normal I did not do the paste special, I will just copy it and paste it. So you just see the data, whole data get overwritten. Okay, so hope you understand, and this is the use of skip blank. Okay, now we have we have left one more option is called transpose. Okay, this one is also very good feature. So sometime we have data in the our column wise, right, but we want data in the opposite, whatever the row. I'm putting one new sheet, and what I'll do, I will Alt Control V, paste special, all value, and put on the transpose. So if you observe, the data is remain same, but it has been changed to the what was in column, it gone to row, and now whatever in the row, it become column. So hope you have understand this one, and that's all about this window. We have covered all this. Okay, we have covered all this. If you have any doubt or any clarification, put on comment box. And thanks for watching. That's all for this video.